Myself, Dr. Sushma Jain, Associate Professor Chemistry, Government Dungar College, Bikaner. I shall discuss about the orientation and reactivity in aromatic electrophilic substitution. In the previous lecture, we have discussed about the explanation for directive influence of general ortho and para directing groups and halogen. Now today I shall discuss about the explanation for directive influence of alkyl group and for meta directing groups. Now first one is the explanation for directive influence of alkyl group. Here we take the example of toluene. Here CH3 group exert the plus I effect and therefore activate the aromatic ring. When electrophile attack at the ortho position of the ortho position of the CH3 group, then these are the resonating structures of the intermediate carbocation. And when electrophile attack at the para position of the CH3 group, then these are the resonating structures for the intermediate cation. And when the electrophile attack at meta position of the CH3 group, then these are the resonating structures of intermediate cations. Now, from seeing these structures, the structure third in case of ortho attack and the structure second in case of the para attack is more stable. This is due to the positive charge carbon atom directly joined to the CH3 group. The plus I effect of CH3 group tend to reduce the positive charge and therefore increase the stability of the carbocation. Second one is this carbocation. This carbon is tertiary carbon atom and therefore this is the tertiary carbonium ion, and in all other cases the carbocation is the secondary carbocation. Therefore this structure is the more stable structure in case of the ortho attack. Also in case of the para attack, this structure is also more stable structure and therefore these two structures increase the stability of the intermediate carbocation. But in case of meta attack, this type of the structure is not found. Therefore, the preferred orientation for new entering group is ortho and para. Therefore, the major product will be the ortho product and the para product, and meta product form in very less quantity, or we can say the minor quantity. This can also be illustrated by the energy profile diagram. Here, the intermediate cation for ortho and para attack is more stable than the meta attack, and meta attack is more stable than the benzene. Therefore, the rate of reaction for ortho and para attack is greater than the meta attack, or meta attack is greater than the benzene, because the plus I effect is present in the toluene, which activate the benzene ring. The second example, the explanation for meta directing groups. Here we take the nitrobenzene. In nitrobenzene, nitro group exert minus I effect by pulling electrons from out of the benzene ring. Therefore, this due to minus I effect, the aromatic ring becomes deactivated. When electrophile attack at the ortho position of the nitro group, then these are the resonating structures for the arenium cation, and when electrophile attack at the para position, then these are the resonating structures of intermediate cation, and when electrophile attack at meta position, then these are the resonating structures of intermediate cation. When we see these structures, we found that the one structure is very less stable structure. Here, the less stability is due to the minus I effect of the NO2 group increase the positive charge on the carbon atom, and the nitrogen of the NO2 group and carbon atom to which it is directly joined, both possess the positive charge. And we know that any resonating structures which carry the similar charge at adjacent atoms, the structures is unstable structure. Therefore, this structure is unstable in case of the orthotape, and in case of paratape, this structure is also unstable for the same reason. So, only two resonating structures contribute for the stability of the intermediate carbocation, and here also these two structures contribute to the stability to the intermediate carbocation. But in case of meta-attack, this type of the structure is not formed in case of the meta-attack. Therefore, these three structures contribute for the stability of the intermediate cation. Therefore, the preferred orientation will be the meta orientation, and the meta product is obtained in major amount and ortho and para product obtained in minor amount. The ring becomes deactivated. Therefore, the rate of reaction for ortho and para attack and for meta attack is less than that of the benzene. Here the rate of reaction is benzene is greater than the meta attack, and the meta attack is greater than the ortho and para attack. This can be explained on the basis of the intermediate cation. Here the intermediate cation formed by the electrophilic aromatic substitution of benzene has greater stability than the meta attack and then the ortho and para attack. Therefore, the rate of reaction for benzene is greater than the meta attack of nitrobenzene and ortho and para attack of nitrobenzene. Thank you.